In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete indicators on TradingView. If your chart feels cluttered, or you just want a clean view of price action, removing an indicator is quick and painless. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect. First, look toward the top left of your chart. That area usually shows your symbol and time frame, and just beside or beneath that, you'll see the names of any indicators currently applied. Each indicator appears as its own small label with the indicator's title. If you have multiple indicators, you'll see multiple labels stacked or listed in that same corner. Take a moment to identify the one you want to remove so you don't delete the wrong item by accident. Now, move your mouse over the specific indicator name you want to delete. You don't need to click yet, just hover your cursor directly over that label. The moment you hover, a few small icons will appear next to the indicator's name. These are quick access controls designed to help you manage that indicator without digging through menus. Among them, you'll see a trash can icon. This is your delete button for that specific indicator. Go ahead and click the trash can icon. The indicator will disappear from your chart instantly. There's no extra confirmation screen here, so as soon as you click, the change is made. That's it. You've successfully removed the selected indicator from your current chart. A couple of quick things to keep in mind for clarity. Deleting the indicator this way only removes it from the active chart you're looking at. It doesn't delete the indicator from TradingView as a whole or from your account, and you can easily add it again later if you need it. If you're working with multiple indicators, repeat the same hover and trash process for each one you want to clear. Also, if the icons don't appear right away, try moving your cursor slightly over the label to make sure it's highlighted. Sometimes a tiny reposition is all it takes for those icons to show. This simple approach keeps your workspace tidy and helps you focus on exactly what matters in your analysis. When your chart feels busy, quickly removing an indicator can make patterns and price levels much easier to see. And there you go. That's all you need to do to delete indicators on TradingView.